What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Ackeem Sterling, and this channel I do video reviews, video editing tutorials and tactics and strategies that will level up your quality of your content and also to keep you motivated as a content creator. So if you find any of those of any interest, please consider subscribing. Now in this video I want to talk about how to stay motivated as a content creator on YouTube, especially for small YouTubers when no one is watching your videos. So basically, I know from time to time, a lot of person might get distracted by not wanting to produce more videos because person are not watching their videos or they don't get the attention or audience that they would look forward for. I know sometimes it can be a pain, yes, to like put out the hard work to produce content and then realize in the long run no one is actually watching your content. I know it can be frustrating, but here is why I'm going to tell you some reason why you should not give up and you should stay motivated at all time as a content creator. Now, sometimes as a content creator, it can be frustrating not to get the result that we want, but that doesn't mean you should give up on your goals. The reason why you should not give up, you have to understand why you have started in the first place. So if I can say why I have started this channel or why I am doing this type of things. So you have to look into yourself to know the reason why you have started, and that will also drive you to give you some sense of the reason why you should not quit. Because for me personally, my reason was to actually help people. So if it even one person that is watching that video, that one person gonna get some value from the message that I'm giving out to you guys. So you have to know the reason why you have started in the first place. And if you should give up, it's like you have wasted all the time and energy that you put in to start something. Because mainly the person who are not going to be successful is the person that actually quit. Now if you quit now, you're not going to reach your goals and where you want to be. You might produce at least 10 videos and saying how comes I don't reach to 1,000 subscribers. No, look at NKBH and those person, right? NKBH produced his 100 videos before he reached at least 75 subscribers. So you have to analyze yourself and look where you at now and see if you're putting out the work as yet. Because there are a lot of more to put out. There are a lot of more videos for you to produce, and so you can reach that 1,000 subscribers. And don't get distracted by the result so very early. Because a lot of us new YouTubers, what we mainly focus on is the numbers, how many subscribers we have, and we're not mainly focused on the content itself and what type of value it is bringing to people, right? People gonna subscribe to you because they want to know the reason to subscribe to your channel, right? Most times when we engage in sub for sub, those persons sub to your channel because they want the numbers, but sometimes they're not gonna come back. Reason because you're not providing any values to them, right? That's not something that they're interested in. So mainly focus on why you're starting a channel and the audience that you want to target, and that reason might keep you motivated. Because sometimes we might have these high numbers in subscribers and we're not getting that amount of views. It's because most of the person that we have exchanged sub with are not really interested in the type of content that we produce. So I'm advising you small YouTubers to focus mainly on getting the content out there, that whoever interested in you or interested in your content, you won't have asked them to sub to your channel because they are gonna sub to your channel regardless of the person you might be, regardless of the subscribers count. So focus mainly on getting those content. And the next important thing to consider also is what are you contributing to your audience, right? Your audience have to feel a level of values when they are coming to your channel. They have to live with something. Either they come to your channel to live with some form of relief or fun, or they live with some valuable information. They have to get something from your channel in order for them to want to stay on your channel, right? Because I've seen most persons are putting out content that are selfish content. They're putting out content only for themselves. I mean, as a small YouTuber, you have to put out content that your audience will like, right? Because you're doing it for your audience, it's not for yourself, right? If you really want to grow on YouTube, you have to care about the type of audience that you want to capture, or the type of audience that you want to reach. Now reaching those audience, now you're gonna build your engagement and get more people to subscribe to your channel. So sometimes when we are looking at, yes, we want to upload videos on a regular basis, but you have to make sure that the video that you're uploading are related to what your subscribers want to see, or your potential subscriber that you're hoping to get want to see. You don't want to put out content that is only you're the only one that like it. And the next thing to consider as a content creator is that we must not judge our content too early, because sometimes we might produce a content or a video in which we want to publish, and we are saying to ourselves, this content is not good as how I expect it to be. I advise you to still publish that content, because sometimes we really don't know which content your subscribers will want to see, or which content your subscriber will actually interested in. So I advise you as a small creator what you can do. I advise all my small creators to niche down, but not niche down too far, right? So when you're producing this type of content, you have to ensure that your audience want to see this type of content. You have to target your audience and to set out to a goal, so that each week when you're trying to upload video, your audience are know what they are going to expect from you. Now what I'm also advising small YouTubers is basically to keep posting even when they don't have an audience, because even if you're posting videos with 0 subscribers, if you use the right set of tags and keywords that are searchable, because basically when you're new in town, right, you actually have to put out video that the person is searching for. So basically when you're trying to solve a problem with something, probably you might have a game console that you want to fix or something, and you fix it and show someone exactly how to fix it. People actually searching for those things. So when person's searching for those things and find that problem, and you realize that when they go on your channel and see that all of those videos are related to each other, they basically will subscribe to your channel, because they're saying that the person actually do more video on this stuff, so I'm subscribing to this person, right? But if you have some things on your channel like random stuff, like probably post about a gaming, cooking, you do like a prank or do something else all over the place, person not gonna subscribe. They say, but this person didn't do any more video on this type of thing, so I'm not subscribing. So just click off your channel and go about your business, right? So you have to niche down and to see the importance of getting subscribers. Yeah, so basically I want to follow up on what I said earlier, is keep posting even when you don't have an audience, because if you produce some high quality videos, some high quality content, and you don't have that audience in the first place, later down the line you might produce one video that might blow up your channel. Now when person go on your channel and see those other type of videos, that's where you're gonna get more views and more subscribers for those type of videos. So you might say to yourself, no, I'm producing all these high quality videos and no one is subscribing to my channel. What is happening? But no, you have to take things slow and take things in order for you to reach that goal. Now, as I'm advising you right now, YouTube is not a sprint, and most person might feel like YouTube is just a sprint, like it does and go reach to 1,000 subscribers or 100,000 subscribers. No, it takes time and it takes years to actually build your confidence and build your audience. The thing about small YouTubers, they're acting as if they are small YouTubers. What I'm advising you is to act as if you are the biggest and the baddest YouTubers. Even when you have a 0 to 100 subscribers, you have to put out still high quality content and put out still content that people actually like and relate to. Because that's the only way you have to bring out your self-confidence, so people can actually like you for who you are, right? Because the niche that you're doing, a lot of person are in that niche, so you have to stand out from the crowd. You have to come out and do things that are different from the rest, right? So you have to find ways on how you can match things to get your audience to actually interested in your content and interested in your stuff. So just keep grinding, keep producing those high quality videos, keep attracting your audience, and one day you will get the audience that is searching for you. So basically these are my tips of how to stay motivated on YouTube even when you're a small creator. and I hope these tips may provide some value to you. So if you have reached this far to the end of the video, I know that these tips have provided some sort of value to you. So what I'm asking you for, if you're not yet subscribed, you know what you got to do. You got to take care of that, and I see you in the next one. Peace out.